Video 193, Render Tile Inset, Part 3. The insets are a little bit more visible now that we are basing them off of thirds instead of sevenths. Let's look at the configuration we've added. We have a CDUI deno for discrete unit inset denominator, and it can either be 1/3 or 1/7 based of the smallest tile size. In this section here, we have made a lookup table object with 4 different lookup tables populated with the thirds configuration and the seventh configuration. Everything else in here is just a placeholder to make sure that everything is correctly positioned. We have some error checking to make sure that we're using the values we think we're using. Here's where we're going to fetch those values out of the lookup table to configure these constants. This error check has been slightly modified. It can either be a division by 7 or 3 now, so we'll put an assert up here. And we had room to make a more detailed error message, so we did. Everything else here is the same. Monkey wrench macros, what we did previously. A diagram explaining basing the inset on thirds, and just, making sure that we know what we're doing. So here's what we did. We just created a configuration where we can base the inset on 1/3 or 1/7 of the smallest tile size. The next thing we're going to do is probably work on colors for the different layers. If you want more detail, you can go to the longer playlist. You are right here now. You can get the source code right here. You can email me here. This has been video 193, Render Tile Inset, Part 3. Like and subscribe.